Limonana. It's absolutely delicious.
It's a
and
marriage.
nutritious.
It's a marriage of the Mediterranean flavor.
Lemons, water, and sugar. I wish you were here to smell this. The coconut, the pancake, the smells, the flavors. It's fluffy. I wish you could smell it. Mm-hmm. Wow. It has a very nice and earthy flavor. It's one of the best sugars to have. It's also not very sweet and totally natural. It would allow the herbs to absorb the water. Pretty much is the same tabbouleh recipe with one beautiful and incredible change. For thousands of years, people have been using clove to treat different conditions when it comes to the gum and your health, the health of your mouth. People don't even realize how mint and lemon go so well together. Most people think that turmeric is something that will stain you, which is true, but it's not true when it comes to your skin and your teeth. It feels great. My mouth feels super clean. Make sure you brush for 2 minutes.